When you hear the phrase artificial intelligence, what comes to your mind? Many people imagine something futuristic, almost science fiction, powerful, mysterious, and difficult to penetrate. While that way of thinking isn't necessarily wrong, it might get in the way of understanding what AI actually does. A simpler way to think about artificial intelligence is to think about tools. Humans have made tools for as long as we've had recorded history. Most of those tools were built to perform physical work. At first, tools amplified human strength. Later, machines took over repetitive physical labor. With each generation, new capabilities were added: strength, endurance, precision, and scale. But not all work is physical. Some tools don't move matter. They move symbols and transform representations. As these tools improved, they spread into every domain, including medicine, and they're especially central to diagnostic radiology. But the tools we have today aren't completely new. They're the latest chapter in a very long story. The earliest informational tools helped humans count and record knowledge. They reduced mental effort and made information something that could be stored and passed on. We created systems to house that information and retrieve it reliably at scale. Then came computers. Information tools could now follow explicit rules, and this allowed us to automate many well-defined tasks. But much of the world isn't exact, and we use statistical methods to allow us to reason under uncertainty. Eventually, instead of writing every rule by hand, we began learning patterns directly from data. Neural networks took this further. They could learn their own representations without relying on specified features. Today's transformer methods go deeper still. They weigh the broader context and relationships and are able to generate new information, not just analyze existing data. In fact, nearly all the visuals in this video were generated by these models, except for this one. Each of these tools has its place. Just as the excavator didn't eliminate the shovel, newer informational tools don't replace older ones. They expand our collective toolbox. So when we think about AI in the context of our shared history, it begins to feel less like a mystical departure and more like the continued evolution of how humans work with information.